Do you think your balcony is too small to create a beautiful garden? Think again. In today's video, I'll show you how we transformed a tiny balcony into a lush, green oasis using simple hacks, vertical gardening ideas, and budget-friendly tips. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share pro tips to make your balcony look bigger and greener than ever before. You won't believe the transformation, from a plain, empty space to a lush green sanctuary, all in a tiny balcony. Step 1. Planning and decluttering. First, we start with a clean slate. Decluttering your balcony is the most important step. Remove unnecessary furniture and use pots and random storage items. Once you clear the space, it becomes easier to visualize your dream balcony garden. Pro tip: always define your goal. Cozy reading nook / herb garden / relaxation corner. Step 2. Go vertical. When your balcony is tiny, think vertical. We used wall-mounted planters, railing boxes, and hanging pots to maximize every inch. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but also creates a lush, layered look. B-roll ideas. Hanging pots, wall planters, vertical racks with herbs. Pro tip: grow up, not out. Perfect for tiny balconies. Step 3. Maximalist layering. One of 2025's biggest garden trends is small space maximalism. Instead of keeping just a few plants, we layered different textures and heights: tall grasses, trailing vines, and compact shrubs. This creates a lush, full garden feel even in a small space. Step 4. Green drenching effect. To make the space truly immersive, we followed the green drenching trend. This means covering the balcony in different shades of green using ferns, vines, and leafy plants. The result? A natural, calming forest vibe, right outside your living room. Step 5. Scandi touch and natural materials. For a cozy vibe, we added Scandinavian-inspired elements. Wooden planters, bamboo furniture, and light-colored flooring. Natural materials make the balcony feel warm, airy, and stylish. Step 6. Illusion and ambience hacks. Want to make your balcony look bigger and brighter? Here's the trick. Add mirrors to reflect light and greenery. Then use string lights, lanterns, and soft cushions to create a cozy, magical vibe. B-roll ideas. Hanging fairy lights. Lanterns glowing at night. Mirror reflecting plants. Step 7. Smart furniture ideas. Finally, choose multi-purpose furniture, foldable chairs, storage benches, or compact tables. This keeps the balcony open, functional, and comfortable. And here's the final result. From a dull, empty balcony to a lush green oasis. Proof that even the tiniest spaces can bloom beautifully. If you love this makeover, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Peak Agro for more balcony gardening hacks and DIY ideas. Got any questions about small space gardening? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.